Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in and create an account on BBVA bank account on iPhone. First, how to create a BBVA account on iPhone. First, take sure you have a valid ID, your phone number and a good internet. After that, open the App Store and download BBVA app. To create an account, open the app, tap on create account and become a member. Enter your mobile number and email address. You will receive a verification code. Enter to continue. You need to fill the details like full name, date of birth, address. Complete your identification verification. This may include taking a photo of your ID, a selfie, or a video shoot. Now, how to log in BBVA app on iPhone. Open the BBVA app, enter your username and password. Use Face ID or Touch ID if enabled for fast login. And that's it, you have been logged in. Here you can check your balance and details. An important tip, never share your login details or OTP. Always use the official BBVA app. Log out if you are using a shared device. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.